That's an excuse to go further then. What you got going on in here, man?
2 Skar 15s.
Yes, sir. You got it looking clean back there.
Thank you, man.
You built everything yourself?
Yes, sir.
Oh, yeah. That's clean right there.
I just got my electrical doing pretty right.
Are you running stock and less stock? Is stock about it?
No, sir. I got a 320 JS alternator.
Oh, yeah.
Big 3 runs of 0 gauge going back.
Oh, you did it up?
I did it up.
Go one lock next, ain't you? Thank you.
Yeah, I'm gonna do see that's a 8K 2 ohm. I got wired at 4 ohm, so I'm gonna pull about 5K.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do 3 in a 6th order.
Flat wall. Yes, sir. I can't wait to see it.
Breaking eardrums and making girls come. It's DJ Steve Balls.
If you know. Got pussy on my
battery, don't it?
No, I have great electrical. I need more amp.
Oh, you need more power back here?
Yeah, I need to drop my own low so I can use the full 8K.
Man, it's something about wiring up high, you don't get what you really want out of it. Yeah, I've been there before.
Yeah.
Should turn my mid-range a little bit more.
That sounds good too. Getting down when you play that long. Man, I like how you got it set up. They got your factory look and everything. You got like a line in converter.
Yeah, I got a line in here.
Yeah, can I take that back?
You can open that door right there.
what's the next show you going to?
And you got the right equipment that gonna tune me right.
Be sure to check out CarAudioConnect.com and shop BASSWITHKEV.com for top car audio brands. I appreciate your support.